Hello guys, welcome to How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys how to create your own sound on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your Snapchat app. Then you'll be in your Snapchat homepage interface. In the right column, you can see a music sign as the fourth option. You'll have to tap on that. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you can see various options of song to choose from, and besides popular you can see a create sound option. You'll have to tap on that. After tapping, a menu like this will pop up and you can see the option of upload from camera roll and record sound. You can choose the either options, but in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own sound by recording. So tap on record sound. After that, you'll be redirected to the page where you can create your own sound by recording. After recording, you'll have to give a sound name. After that, you can toggle on the option besides make this sound public if you want to. And finally, tap on save sound. After your sound is saved, go back to your Snapchat homepage, record a video, tap on the music icon on the right column. In the sound page, you'll have to tap on my favorites. After that, you'll have to tap on my sounds. Then you'll be redirected to a page which will have all your sounds which you have created. Tap on the sound you want to select, and after that the sound will be used in the video. You can use the video as your story or you can send that video to your friends. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.